All right, so for the last 24 hours, we have been throwing around the term blizzard, and we've been saying that word a lot. And a lot of people have this misconception that a blizzard is all about the snow, but it's really not. In fact, the amount of snow that we get doesn't matter for a blizzard. What matters is the wind and the visibility. So we have to have snow with wind gusts of 35 miles per hour or greater. Well, we've got that. Visibility less than a quarter mile. We've got that in a lot of cases. And then it's got to last for at least 3 hours or more. Well, it's likely going to verify, meaning we are seeing blizzard conditions across the state, and we will likely see that truly verify and become an accurate thing that we had a true blizzard later on this afternoon, especially for areas outside of the Des Moines metro. Two areas of heavy snow that I'm watching, one band north and west of the Des Moines area, and that is actually going through the northwest corner of Polk County now. So Polk City, Grimes, Ankeny, and even Elkhart getting in on that. Ames is also getting in on that action, Adel, Guthrie Center, and down through Adair and Greenfield, and then down into southern and southeastern Iowa. We still have some heavier snow there too, from Grand River to Lamoni, Osceola, Sheraton, Corydon, Albia, even over to Oskaloosa and Ottumwa. Bottom line, nobody is really exempt from this snow. The only exception is far northern Iowa, where some dry air is starting to work in from the north. That's the colder Arctic air building in. But this is a really expansive storm system. Heavy snow in Wisconsin and Chicago. Lots of rain, even tornado warnings down south earlier today, all in partnership with this one big giant storm system. So here's what you need to know as we go through the rest of the day. A level 5 on our threat tracker today. That's the highest threshold on a scale of 1 to 5, being a dangerous concern here. Blizzard threat, heavy snow and wind, and also the frigid cold. Tomorrow, the snow is done falling for the most part, but blowing snow is still a concern, and it will be dangerously cold. Travel will still be affected. And then on Sunday, the travel should improve, but the cold air gets even worse. Right now, we've got all that wind outside between 15 and 30 miles per hour, and we've got some pretty intense gusts going as high as 30 to 35. That will strengthen more as we head into the afternoon. We've also got that lower visibility, about a quarter to a half mile in many locations. So when we talk about the blizzard, we've got all the things that we really need to see that come true. Blizzard warning is in effect all day today through the entire state of Iowa almost. And by the way, it actually is now in effect for most areas through 6 a.m. to tomorrow, just to account for the added blowing snow threat overnight. So through the afternoon, the snow continues. The rate of snow does get lighter, so it's not going to snow quite as much later in the day. It will be flying around though. Blowing snow continues overnight and even into tomorrow morning. We may see some additional light snow north of I-80 during the day tomorrow, but I think for the most part, accumulation will be done once we get past today. We may see an additional 1 to 3 inches of snow across our region, a few spots that could pick up a little more than 4 inches still before it's all said and done. Keep in mind that's on top of the 6 or 7 inches that many areas have recorded. And again, the winds pick up this afternoon, gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour possibly. It'll stay very windy overnight and into the day tomorrow, all while temperatures are dropping. We've got a massive drop coming our way. By lunchtime tomorrow, it's only 1 above 0, and then we fall into the double digits below 0 on Sunday morning. Wind chill readings will follow suit. Teens and 20s below by this evening, and then teens and 20s below 0 by tomorrow morning. And then it keeps going down from there. By Sunday and Monday morning, wind chill readings will be in the 30s and 40s below. We don't make it back above 0 until Tuesday afternoon, and then I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that next week will be a quieter week.